An excavator tries to cross a deep gap using a homemade bridge. What happened next will leave you speechless. The operator needed to reach a construction site, but the only path crossed a massive trench. With no other way forward, he quickly cut down 2 trees, laid them across the gap, and began driving sideways over his makeshift bridge. The problem? The machine weighed 30 tons, far more than the bridge was built to handle. The logs creaked and sagged in the middle as the excavator crawled across. The scene was unbearably tense, and it seemed doomed to fail. But somehow, luck was on his side. If you are real man, hit subscribe. Incredible video from Arizona. An American military truck hauls logs uphill through the forest. You'll be shocked by what happened next. The driver had illegally cut trees and was hauling them to his land for building a house. The road cut through impassable woods, but the all-terrain truck pressed on. The problem? It was overloaded by 3 times its limit. On every climb, the truck lifted onto its rear wheels, but the driver didn't stop. He is pushing the engine to its limit. The scene was unbearably tense, and it looked like he had no chance, but luck was on his side. If he belongs in jail, hit subscribe.